Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing another swipe. Again, I've got a wooden canvas here and we're just going to be painting over this. But as you know, I love to do my swipes with a palette knife. It's just the way I enjoy doing them. But the other way of doing them is by swiping using paper towel. So that is what we're doing today. So I've just cut up some of my paper towel, pretty much the same size, little pieces. We're going to be using that, and in here I've mixed up some Amsterdam titanium white with water. That's all, nothing else in there, just Amsterdam and water. And here is my canvas. So I'm going to bring you up a little bit. We're going to just put some color down on here, and I actually want to just cover the canvas in paint, and the reason for this is I found the last painting I did on a wooden canvas, they're actually quite difficult to tilt the paint over. Like, the paint doesn't glide over the wood. It's, so I just want to wet the canvas so that it'll just, I don't know. But anyway, we're just doing this. Just doing that. Just putting some paint on just to wet it. Okay, there we go. Right, so on top of that we are going to be putting color. Now, with this swipe technique, I'm not just going to be putting paint in the middle, swiping over it and tilting it. You're pretty much going to be putting paint right across your canvas, like that. And yeah, and then you swipe right across all the colors. So I'm just going to be layering colors all the way down. Right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just give it a tilt. Now this doesn't matter now because the paints are going to move and mix, and it doesn't matter. I need some more colors here, it would seem. Pretty much just make sure that the paints have covered the canvas. That's all you need to do. That's fine, and go over that way. That's fine. The canvas is covered. That's what we want. Okay. Right. So now, I'm just going to bring you like that. Now, all we do is we take our swipe color. We take a piece of kitchen roll, and you're just going to dip it in. just like that. We're going to place it over, and we're going to swipe across. And then when you get to the edge, you can just drop it over the edge. Now again, when I do my swipes, I like to go this way and that way and this way and that way. So now I'm going to go here, put it over, and slowly swipe. And just drop it over the edge. And that is all there is to it. So we're just going to keep going all the way down. And drop it over. And drop it over. There's some pretty lacing going on. Dip it in. And swipe across. And drop it over. So relaxing doing these paintings. You just take your time, just enjoy it, you know. And drop it over. That is really cool. There we go. Alright, oops. I do like it. Right, I am going to bring you in for a close-up. Hold on a sec. So there it is. It's got some pretty colors in it. And some lovely lacing. Very pretty lacing there. And some lovely effects going on there. Very pretty. Some lovely effects going on there again. Sorry, I know my hands are shaking. Now the sun comes out. Beautiful lacing in the green. It definitely does look like the Amsterdam reacts differently to different paints. Like it seems to react beautifully in this green, but not as much in that green. And in this paint it's got a total different effect. But look at the lacing in there. That's very awesome. But look at these patterns and designs. It's totally different. Those are cool. See, it's all different, which is very interesting. Very, very interesting painting, I must say. I do like it. And I love the colors. It is very bright, very colorful. Yeah, I like it. Happy with that. So there we go, everybody. Quick and easy painting again today. So now, if you don't have a palette knife, you don't need to go out and buy one. You can just cut up your tissue paper or paper towel, cut it up into pieces and swipe with that, and you can definitely get some pretty patterns and designs in your paintings. Yeah, there we go. I will see you again in the next video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my videos. And plenty more to come. Plenty more to come. So be sure to join along. I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye.